Sir, I wanted to ask you something. Did the Night Movers collaborated with the Nazis during the war?
Yeah, that's indeed a dark chapter for our corporation. But here's the thing. Every good corporation aligns and involves with the popular ideologies of the times. It's 2000 and we are into spirituality. क्योंकि डिमांड ऐसी है 20 years down the line and people may demand us to perform wokeness और तब हमें उनके हिसाब से बदलना पड़ेगा.
So Night Movers don't have an inherent philosophy.
Noor, market is our philosophy. Tashi, please. Hi, I'm Gulab and this is Noor.
Hello, ma'am.
We will facilitate your porting.
You have done your payment, ma'am?
Yes.
So Tashi, as per the standard procedure, we will have to inform you of the two conditions before signing the contract. So please pay attention. Noor,
Yes, sir. The porting once executed cannot be reversed. Once you leave, you can't come back. Condition number 2. The Night Movers are strictly the service providers who facilitate parting and post-life. We cannot guarantee that the purpose of your porting will be fulfilled.
Tashi, do you accept the procedure and the risk involved?
I do.
All right.
Please sign here.
How's the despair?
As beautiful as ever.
Panic attacks?
Yeah, I've been enjoying them as well.
Once again, Noel. I would really appreciate it if you could cooperate. That'll help both of us.
Yeah, there have been no panic attacks, but I've been struggling to fall asleep, and whenever I do fall asleep, I get those dreams.
Same dreams?
Same dreams. That lady whose face I can't see, and that damn golden egg.
And what about your father?
What about him?
You still don't want to see him?
Yeah, I still don't give a fuck about him being dead or alive.
You've been drinking.
Only wine.
I'm starting lithium for you. Let's see how it goes.
Listen, yeah, please, no more pills, please. Or are there any side effects?
Your hands might shake a little, that's it.
That's it.
That'll be 3,000 for the session, including the popcorn.
No. I thought those were complimentary. No?
See you again in 2 weeks.
Oops. I guess my hands are shaking already.
How did it go?
Excellent. As usual, I paid $3,000 for popcorn that I didn't even eat.
You're always complaining. You don't realize, but it has helped you a lot.
Yeah. It's helped me so much, I'd rather go to a prostitute than do this.
I wonder what's your idea for prostitute, really?
Let me define it for you. Then. How about someone who sleeps with many people?
What do you mean?
Nothing, Gayatri. Can we please go? I didn't mean anything. Chal.
You know, fuck off, Noel. Just fuck off.
Please, please, please go. I don't want to.
You know, you are the one who does not want to commit, and this one time I go out with someone, you start calling me a whore. Seriously.
Gayatri, I did not use that word, okay?
So you're just jealous then?
Jealous of who? That cartoon. Listen, if you want to go and fuck him, go fuck him. Okay? And if you want to leave like everybody else, then leave. Just don't eat my head right now.
You know what? You're a masquerading asshole who thinks of no one but himself. You're a narcissist, Noel. You're a big fucking narcissist. You hide behind your whatever your fucking traumas are. You're using them as excuses. You don't care about others. Everything is always about you. It has to be about you. I'm so done. I wish I didn't care. Because you don't deserve it.
It would be an all-time blockbuster because Romies would make it. That's what true Romies do.
I want to have sex tonight. Tashi,
I do not want to talk.
don't remember the last time we did it.
टेबल पर खाना रखा है, खा लो.
Tashi, a man has his needs.
And it is not always about sex.
What's the point of marriage then?
Oh, is it just about that? मुझे बच्चा नहीं चाहिए था. तुम्हारी जिद थी. Did I not make a sacrifice?
It is what everybody does. You get married and then you have children. That's the natural order.
And who decide this natural order? Men.
Okay, so what do you want me to do? You want me to quit my business and babysit all day?
Leave it, Kazad. You will not understand.
No, tell me.
Leave it.
No, please.
You will not understand. I'm
Please
saying
tell
just
me because
leave
you don't seem to love your child.
Are you fucking out of your mind? I was just saying that I was not prepared for it.
Oh, so that's also my fault. I'm a bad husband because I wanted a child and my wife didn't. Great. I wish we had this conversation before we got married.
Okay, so you do not like this marriage. Fine. Let's get divorced.
Tashi, come on. I want us to reconcile and be the happy couple that we used to be.
I don't even remember the last time I was happy. And it's not your fault. I loved you so much, Kazad. You know what? I have this dream in which I am inside this golden egg. I feel like running away to somewhere. I just want to be myself for once and do not live to the expectations of the society.
She... What has happened to you? Why can't you be normal just like other women?
Even I wish I was normal.
Yeah.
I'm just done, actually.
Our industry doesn't work like that.
It's all in your head.
Creative differences थे and जिस तरीके से बंसाली
Don't overthink.
को probably मैं नहीं करता.
तो क्या हम उम्मीद कर सकते हैं कि आप फिर से साइन करेंगे इसी फिल्म में?
देखिए डांस का तो पता नहीं, मैं तो शायद थोड़े टाइम में एक्टिंग भी छोड़ने का मन बना रहा हूँ. So I can't comment.
There are two types of preparations. One is indica and another is sativa. So can you spot the difference?
Indica is for erasing and sativa is for cultivating.
Correct. An important part of our job is to decide when to give indica and when to give sativa.
So essentially, we manipulate people's memory.
Would you call a physician giving medicines a manipulation? Our corporate helps to achieve people what they want.
Understood. Do we give sativa for now or indica?
For this bunch, eraser is required So,
Indica?
yes.
By the way, is it vegan?
It is as vegan as a blowjob.
Yes.
क्या आपको मालूम है और कौन घर छोड़ के चला गया था? गौतम बुद्धा। लेकिन गौतम बुद्धा बुद्धा कब बने? जब उन्होंने अपना परिवार छोड़ दिया तब? जब उन्होंने संसार में बस दुख ही दुख देखे तब? जब वो बोधि वृक्ष के नीचे आकर बैठ गए तब? या फिर वो पहले से ही बुद्धा थे? या फिर उनके पूर्वजों के समय से ही उनके बुद्धा होने की शुरुआत हो चुकी थी? हम जो भी करते हैं क्या वो पहले से तय होता है? या फिर हम जो भी करते हैं अपनी मर्जी से करते हैं?
Rashid, you accept the procedure and the risk involved?
Because you don't seem to love your child.
केदार भाई, सेक्स लाइफ में कोई प्रॉब्लम थी क्या? कौन सी माँ होती है जो ऐसे अपने बच्चों को छोड़ के जाती है यार?
क्या बोला? क्या बोला तू? वो यहाँ पर नहीं है तो तू कुछ भी बोलेगा?
प्रैक्टिकल बात बोल रहा हूँ आपको मैं।
अपनी प्रैक्टिकलिटी अपने पास रख, ठीक है?
क्यों गुस्सा कर रहे हो? देखा झेला है यार साथ में सब। मान लो ना, मान लो यार। क्या क्या डिवोर्स हो गया कि चली गई? कब तक अटके रहोगे?
वो जल रहा है किस्मत। मेरे साथ होने से पहले ही वो जा चुकी थी। तुम कितना भी बोल लो पर मुझे पता है कि वजह मैं हूँ। उसकी बातें, उसकी लड़ाइयाँ, हम सभी जो कर रहे हैं बहुत बचकाना है। मुझे ढूंढना है उसको।
कहाँ? क्या
ढूंढना है? उससे बात करनी है मुझे।
लिखा था ना, नो डेस्टिनेशन फॉर एनीवन। और आप भी वही होते जा रहे हो यार। आगे का सोचो। देखो केजाद भाई, अब रोजी के पास जाओ। मैं कह रहा हूं जाओ।
Take this. I won't charge $3,000 for this.
So, do we know each other?
I believe you and Gayatri aren't talking anymore.
How the fuck do you know about that? Huh? Night moves. What, are you trying to scare me?
Noel. All we do is to help people to get what they want. And I know exactly what do you want.
What do I want?
There is address and timing on this card. So see you there.
And why would I go there? You're freaking me out right now.
तुम्हें क्या लगता है? हम जो भी करते हैं वो पहले से तय होता है? या फिर हम जो भी करते हैं वो अपनी मर्जी से करते हैं?
चलिए
Call has been forwarded. At the tone, Please record your message.
Gayatri, something really strange has happened. I'm really sorry for everything. Please call me back. Please.
बताओ, रोजी के पास क्या ढूंढने आए हो?
पता नहीं, बहुत दिनों से सोया नहीं हूँ, तो शायद नींद।
तुम सब मर्द ना एक जैसे होते हो।
कैसे?
देखो, ये दुनिया के सब मर्द हैं, तुम भी, ये दुनिया की सारी औरतें, मैं भी। दुनिया के सारे मर्द अपनी पूरी जिंदगी हर औरत में अपनी माँ को ढूंढते, उनकी गोदी में सर रखकर सोना चाहते। अच्छा बताओ, तुम्हें क्या लगता है, हम जो भी करते हैं वो पहले से तय होता है या हम जो भी करते हैं अपनी मर्जी से करते हैं?
Let's get it ready.
Satyaiva, right?
तुम कब से काम कर रही हो मेरे साथ?
Sorry. By the way, what do you think? What is the future of Night Movers?
We will alter identities.
How?
How? As like people have virtual personalities or internet.
तुम जो ढूंढने आए थे वो मिला?
नहीं, लेकिन क्या नहीं चाहिए वो समझ में आ गया।
और नींद?
Aren't you the actor Rumi Kapoor? Aren't you Rumi Kapoor?
Yes, I am.
I'm Noel, sir. I'm really shocked to see you in public after so long.
Well, Noel, it was written in stars and here we are. And this is exactly not public, is it?
I'm very much an outsider here, so in this space. Actually, I don't even recognize this drink that they gave me.
Oh, you have had the drink?
Yeah.
Which one it is? Indica or sativa?
I don't know, this green color.
Ah, never mind.
Actually, sir, my mother was a huge fan of yours.
Oh.
But my father hated you.
I get that a lot. But what about you?
Well, I hated my father, so...
Ah, that's what true Romies do, huh? Have a good night. Yeah.
You too, sir.
मुझे नहीं पता कि हम जो भी करते हैं वो पहले से तय होता है या नहीं, लेकिन हमेशा याद रखना कि अगर तुम्हारे कंट्रोल में कुछ है तो सिर्फ तुम्हारी चॉइसेस। मेक द राइट चॉइसेस बेटा। That's all that you have.
Every feeling's real and no meaning. Everyone is screaming, I'm dreaming. Get you out of my head. Instead, I'm dead.